let's see what we got here. My dumbass was changing my battery while I was out on my last ride. It was at night, and I set the camera on this because there's a little lip around it. When I went like this, the camera went like that, hit the ground, and of course, Murphy's Law. If something can go wrong, it will. You gotta have your PPE, man. Gotta get PPE. Alright, now I'm back in business. So anyway, Murphy's Law. If something can go wrong, it will. Hope that's not a cop. Alright, so it'll be interesting to see what the video looks like. I jacked up the lens in the camera and I replaced it with a knockoff. So we'll see how it looks. ShinyXChrome, you'd be so disappointed in Charlie. So I went on eBay, I found a used GoPro 4 silver, just like I got. And got a new GoPro 4 silver, a good used, just in case. So now I can have a camera in the front facing me and a camera on my chin facing out. We'll see how it goes. I just can't wait to see what this looks like. Hopefully it looks good. I was just really bummed when I dropped it. I'm like, are you kidding me? Come on. Put a wrinkle in my night, you know? See, these stores are still closed early. You know what pisses me off about the COVID thing? Is I get it. You know, we got to take precautions. But now people are just using it as a big excuse not to do shit the right way. It's kind of pathetic. Yeah, I'm sorry, but if you're still working and people are still paying full price for a product, you should get what you pay for, and you should get it right, man. You shouldn't get some half-ass bullshit because people are using COVID as a lame excuse not to do shit the right way. Bunch of crap, man. I walked into Dunkin' earlier and they gave me business because I didn't have my mask on. She's like, we have carry out. Yeah, well, I'm gonna sit out there for 15 minutes waiting for you to bring your lazy ass out to give me my coffee. Some of us gotta go to work. Dunkin' was open, you know what I mean? I should probably quit bitching. It was a work day, man. I get home, I'm allowed to bitch because I had to listen to people bitch all day. I don't know. I think part of my mood is I'm just pretty much agitated with all this crap going on. Big long tar snake right there. That's a doozy. Guy's coming over into my lane. What an asshole. Can't wait 2 seconds. You impatient limp dick. How's your day?
Well, it was a terrific ride.
It's a great day for that.
Until I left it on, and I went and smoked a cigarette and hung out, and then I walked up, and guess what?
Battery's dead.
Yes.
You want to push?
You can push it?
Yeah, just put it in first gear. I'll give you a push, and you dump the clutch.
Really?
You think?
No, you can push it. I believe you. Thank you, big man.
You want to give it? We could give it a try.
I appreciate it. I don't know why I died. I've been running all day. Why? There has to be a reason why I died.
Yeah, maybe your battery's dead.
Because I left it on. Because this switch.
Maybe it's at the point where.
See that switch right there, with all the lights on and everything, was left on.
Right. Maybe it just strained it enough that it won't kick on.
And then when I hit run, I got it in neutral.
Yeah, it's not enough juice to kick it.
Think a push will work?
We can try.
All right. Well, it ain't gonna be easy getting it back here.
No. But if we go, maybe it's close to the street, but maybe
just stay on the edge, right?
maybe if stay on the edge, I'll give you a push, and hopefully these people will see us.
Now, when you push and we get to which car, you think?
Once you get up to a couple miles per hour,
Pop the clutch.
yeah. Do you know what gear you're in?
I'm in neutral right now.
All right.
Put it in first gear, and then I'll let the clutch off.
Yeah, and just like I said, just kind of like let the clutch out, not dump it, but
Right.
a good speed.
And once it starts.
It should kick.
Well, I'm gonna try.
Does it start pretty fast when it starts?
Yeah. I don't know why it's doing what it's doing.
Yeah, I'll give it a try. Here, let me lose all this stuff.
I don't mean to interrupt you or nothing.
Oh no, I'm doing a video on Smokey.
Oh, okay.
That's kick-ass shit.
You know what though?
Did you ever know the story of that dog?
Well, I don't know the story of it, but I know what you talk. But I tried to go to that waterfall place, you know, because there's a jack up there you can go.
Around the bend?
Yeah. You can't go there now because they closed the road.
Again?
Yeah. And then I tried to go to west on Detroit, that West Boulevard. And I usually go up there and park in front. They got that real close too. It's like
I was at Edgewater Park yesterday, and we were just picking glass out of the sand, just sitting there, me and my girlfriend, and they kicked us all out because there was protesters.
so. I guess we can only do what we're going to do now. But I tell you, it aggravates me when I can't even ride where I like to ride. You know.
Listen, I get their cause and stuff, but this ain't the way to get the right attention.
Very good. Well, with me, I see the good, right? I push that bad away. You know how I know that for a fact? Because when you and I talk, guess what? We're looking eye to eye. When we talk to somebody, they're always looking beside you, up there, down there.
Can't look in the eye.
And it's like, they could be having a bad day, you know. And it's just like, shoot, go away. I push that bad away and I keep the good, you know, right?
Do what you can. Well, I'm over 50, so I'm going to do my best.
Well, I'm 56, so I'll be right there with you, big man. I appreciate it. I really.
No, we'll give it a try. And,
do you want to try to start it? I can push it if you want.
No, I'll push.
Are you?
Yeah.
Because I don't mind.
No.
Because I usually don't let people ride my bike. But this is start.
Don't anybody ever ride your bike.
Right. You always have to. Well, I never did. But I figure you're pushing me and we're going to get going here. So we'll find out what's going on. So just leave it turned on. Leave that on.
Yeah, leave that on.
Leave
it in run. And I'm gonna get back here, and we're gonna start getting you going.
Now you know my bike weighs 1,300 pounds, right?
Yeah. Hey, oh, you're welcome. Don't mention.
I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate it.
You take care, man.
Yeah.
Stay safe.
You know, 4 years ago, now I rode this bike my whole life. I rode my whole life. I wrecked them, I purchased them, I raced them, I did everything. You know, I wrecked a couple, but that was, well, 4 years ago, I wrecked my bike on 71 South. I rolled it 3 times.
Ooh.
Cracked my skull in 3 places. I broke these bones, but they couldn't help with the bones because of my brain. And I was in the hospital for almost 3 months. And my girl, who's been a friend all this time too, she invited me to live in her house because I already have my own place. Because I'm a cabinet maker. Alright? But I fixed it. It rolled through. I fixed this bike. My friend Stanley, he's a welder. We re-welded this out, re-welded it and everything, you know. The only thing I had to replace were the handlebars. I fixed everything else because this is my bike. I ride it.
Heck yeah.
So I want to know what's underneath me, and I keep it right, you know.
Right on.
But this one thing, check it out. The only thing I had replaced was the...
I see.
Yeah,
I see.
The only thing I had replaced was the handlebars. But this right here tells me.
It's a reminder.
It's a reminder.
Yeah.
Mine's 04. You know.
Yeah.
Knowing I changed oil, I checked it like I do it because I'm riding on it. You know.
Right. You gotta trust yourself.
Yeah. Well, I know you're on the bike, and that's a good looking new bike.
That's actually a 12-year-old bike.
What year is that?
08.
Really?
Yeah, it's a Honda VTX1800.
Bravo to you. Mine's 04, but I mean for a road king it ain't bad. I lost the fog lights. Well, I mean, these were under, but when I rolled it, you know.
They got all smacked up.
But yeah, I fixed. You know, you got to take care of the bike, right?
That's it.
So that's where the computer was. Why the world did it die? You know, I didn't understand. Started pretty quick, though, didn't it?
Yeah, it did. You're up and running.
You take good care of your bike. You let it take care of you.
You too. You take care, sir.
Yeah.
You care if I post some of this on YouTube?
You can do whatever.
All right. I'm on there. I just got a new channel, but it's Charlie's Riding Adventures.
Charlie's Riding Adventure. I can look that up.
Look it up on YouTube, yeah.
Well, you just stay safe.
Oh, yeah.
Because you know, we can't look around and show off like I'm on the...
No, I ain't got time for none of that.
Everybody's on the phone.
Oh, I know.
You got to look straight to the right, to the left, behind you all the time because that change lane. You got to watch that.
They pay no attention.
No, they don't.
No,
Right.
no.
Well, I'm just saying. You keep your eyes open. You have a very safe
Yep.
day, and I thank
And the way I look at it is I don't have a right of way on the bike. I'm responsible for my own safety, and that's it.
Right.
You take care. We'll see you around. So he's back up and running. I gave him a push, and he dumped the clutch out, got it rolling, and here we are. It's nice to help people.